for all my complaining about this feeder not getting use, we've got a titmouse, 2 titmouse, and I believe that was a nuthatch. I'll verify it when I get inside, hacking at it, and that makes me feel better. Jesus, we got chickadees. It's been a rough day. This makes me feel better.
Well, it's Saturday morning. I'm going to go ahead and do the vlog portion of this video now. You saw from earlier this week, I've been playing with the film camera a little bit more on this. And I kind of like it. I want to work on doing this much better. Ooh, check out that Thrasher. Just caught him on accident. That's cool. Mostly just be seeing the house finches and a couple of titmice. But this is fun. I'm really excited. Yeah. So, it was a week. Gosh, she's big. I posted a video on just frustration and whatnot, and failures with me trying to take good pictures and whatnot, that I was not able to post. Let me see if I can find him in the tree. I mean, I see him, but I don't know if I can get it on the camera. And I hope this is loud enough for me talking. I don't really want to talk any louder than this. There we go. Let's zoom back into regular. Right. So I don't know. I couldn't get the video to upload, and oh, poor Maddock. He wants some other dogs out to play with. No action over here. Right. So I couldn't get the video to upload, and it was super frustrating. But that's in the past. Like I said, I loaded a video test earlier, some videos I took before, and I think they went pretty okay. I'll just have to work on a few things. So yeah, it's been another good week. I didn't share the video. Maybe I'll put it on this video, but I've had a lot of activity at the pepper feeder. Whole bunch of birds I don't see back here. I've seen both a downy and a pileated woodpecker, and that was really cool. I've had some nuthatches added as well. Yeah, that's cool. I don't think I'll ever get those sorts of birds back here. I just feel like there's too much going on with dogs in majority of these yards, and it's just open. But I don't know, we'll try. It's tough for me to get up to that feeder. Hi, little girl. Get to that feeder and, and get pictures. But I will continue to try. I think I want to get another one of those, and maybe, if not put it back here, put it a little bit closer to the yard. Just to try. Otherwise, I'll figure out something. Yeah, not a lot of birds this week, just not because I haven't seen them. I mean, look how many house finches are at this feeder. Yeah, hi. Sorry, Lettuce wants to go inside. Yeah. It's just a quiet morning. It'll be loud soon. And, yeah. I hope you guys are having a great week and a great day. Let's go ahead and take a look at those birds.
About to go in, I saw this guy. He was at the feeder down here, hoping he's thinking about going back. He is going back. Where did he go? It looked like he went back. Let me see what this I'm dealing with.